welcome. Uh, this is what we call market outlook again, where we come into the market over the weekend to analyze and give you our directional bias. We're looking out for the new week, and amazingly, it has always been massively on point. Thanks to God, because the accuracy has been so bad back to back. It has been so amazing. Last week was crazy. We milked everything, all of about 6 to 7 trade. We gave out. We are looking out to everything played out accordingly, according to our directional bias. That's crazy, guys. So this week again, we are going to it again, so that to give you expo and to give you an insight into how the market will be for the next week. In case you're just joining us for the very first time, this is what we call market outlook, and this is Live Pips Institute up, where we teach you forex in its simplest form, in the simplest way ever that you can ever see as well. In case you do not understand, or perhaps you are confused, why should you listen up to me? Let me show you last week trade I gave to them, one of them, how it played out massively. Let's do a recap. I think one of them I gave you about 2 to 6, and everything played out. Let me show you one of them. This is CHFJPY. I told you guys that I'll be entering CHFJPY on a long. Last week market was around here. So when it comes to something around here, my cycle level, and do a double bottom, I'll be longing massively. I entered around here and market was about coming down to my stop loss. I was using about 30 something pips to catch 400 pips. Was it too bad? I don't think it's bad. For me, I risk about 30, 20, 40 pips, 50 highest. That is, if I'm wasting 50 pips, definitely I want to catch about 300 or 400 pips plus. Because I can hold trade for like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. For the fact that I want to milk the potential of that trade. And if you see me mixing above 40 or 30 pips, definitely I want there that potential of that trade is of 600 potential moves or 500 for it has a very large potential move. That's why I'm accommodate my stop loss to be arrived above around 40, 50. But if it's just 200 pips, 150 pips, 100 pips, come on, I'm maintaining what we call 25, 30, 35 pips. So that's for that. So come on, see, let's measure it. How many people were able to catch last week on this? That's massive, guys. Over 400 pips. This is crazy, guys. This is crazy. Can you imagine? Imagine trading just this with us last week. You would have made about four. Come on, this could just use one lot size or 10 lot size or even 0.1. And how much you will have definitely it did buy throughout the week. That's crazy. That's the same thing we do here. We give you a setup. We give you a pair so that we everything move in direction for the whole of the week. So you don't have to bother yourself right to buy, sell, buy anymore. Just follow us, and then of course go into the new week with our massive setup and make money for yourself. The sky is too big, it is too wide for everybody to make money. So we don't have to hide anything for you. More importantly, we have what we call an inner circle, a private group on Telegram where we drop daily and weekly signals there for all our students. It's for free. We also have VIP for free. In case you want to join, you can look into this link in this bio and join, or ask me. Any of our support will drop it for you on the comment section. Just let us know in the comment section that you want to join the inner group, the private group on WhatsApp, on Telegram, and we will add it up to it. So yeah, you can always have access to daily signals. Like last week now, we had about 14. This very week, we had about 14 trades, and we lost all. We won all. Last week we had about 15. We won all. The last time, the last time we had a loss was November, early start of November. I think after then we lost 1 or 2. From the midweek of November, we were having a winning streak up to now. Another time we had winning streak was around September, October. The 2 months was crazily sweet for us. We all made crazy money, and it was super winning streak all through. So imagine something like that, and this is what we want to be part of it. We want to be part of it. So don't guys. Join us and let's do this together. The sky is wide for everybody to make money, and the market is always there for you to make money. So let's go into today's class, into the next week trade, and of course you should know once you give it trade, it's always a bomber to bomber. The banker is always eating big and mighty, guys. The first one I'm looking out for today is EURUSD. I want to buy. However, you can come in and buy this right now, or wait for it to come to this cycle level and buy. So it is sweet buy, but the information is already setting up already. That's number one pair. The second pair I'm looking at for is AUDJPY, AUDUSD rather, AUDUSD. I'm already buying on this. You know what it means when I tell you that I'm already longing. You know what it means, guys. So I believe you still come down to this cycle level, and I will as well still shoot and add positions on that. Another one is another one is Euro AUD. Euro AUD. This one again, I'm already shorting one of my accounts as well. I have many accounts, you know, many accounts trade. This is what head, this is what shoulder, this is what shoulder. Once it breaks below this is a confirmation of the head and shoulder, fully confirmation. Then we tested under it, just add your positions and entered and add and double down. For me, I love this trade so much. So it's quite clean. I love it. The cleanness is so sweet. So I'll be doubling down on this trade so massively. Once we test under it, and I'll be massively doubling down. That's for the third one. The fourth one is this Euro USD CHF. And of course, I'll be longing on this as well. I'll be longing. Let's look at it. I should be longing. I was longing something on here. The last time he longed, he did a pin bar on this cycle level, and then the body was above this drawing long. This last time too, he did a pin bar here long. Definitely, I expect to see come down and then want to do a pin bar. Then the body should rest on these our drawings and long. That is for USD CHF. And that one is GDP AUD. GDP AUD, GDP AUD, GDP AUD. I'll be looking to long this as well. I'm looking to long, but right now it's just gonna be short. You can scalp the short. This is to cover this week here and come to somewhere around here. I'll be looking to long. Let me put my long stuff there. I'm willing to long also at this point, provided market come down, provided it give me confirmation anyway. Not just coming there. You must show that it's ready to long. If it doesn't, I will take it. So there's some trade that we also will tell you guys I want to long. And at the end, we don't end up longing it because we understand how this market moves. We understand the candlestick confirmation and languages so that this market speaks. Once you speak the languages of reversal, we opt out. Once you speak languages of I'm not ready to move or to change my move right now, we opt out. We wait for it. So that is what we should do. That's what we do here. So in case you want to do more of learning and understand how this candlestick, we have about 20 something of them that confirms entering for us. You can comment below candlesticks. We'll send it to your email. Any of us will send it to your email. Thank you for that, guys. Thank you for so that is for that, guys. Let's go to the next one, GDP USD, and the last one is what GDP USD. I want we come down more here again to do an extension now, and I'm willing to as well, long as well. I'm willing to long. So those are it, guys. Those are the days for all the retailers. I'm looking to long and of course to make money for the new week. I believe these pairs are so crazily sweet, and I love the setup so much. The interesting one for me is this one. This is so sweet for me. That is Euro USD. It looks so super clean for me, and also this one too as well. Euro AUD. The twist two are so clean. I can't joke with them. I'll put more eyes on them. They're so clean for me, and I will be marking it, eating it big, and making money from it. Don't do, guys. You also as we do it. Don't forget as we do it. We will make money here daily. We make money here weekly, crazily, and madly, guys. So that is for that. Let me know in the comment section the pair that you are looking at. So if it is good, anyone, let me know that you're looking at to trade as well. Comment it below, and as well if you think this is nourishable, this is profit you a little, and of course it's quite. Why not subscribe to this channel? Come on, so you can get more of our values on something around this, something like this. As well, share it with your friends. Let them also know. Let's make this one together. Let them know the trade that is going to be moving for the next week. What are the trade that we're going to be doing the exact thing we told you for the next week? It's certain, guys. This is overconfident. This is not the matter of overconfident. It's also sure. This setup are clean and they are very viable. So send it to your friends and share this video, and let's do this together, guys. Thank you so much for joining me once again, and don't forget to have a profitable week ahead. I wish you amazing, happy, and Merry Christmas ahead. Thank you so much, and bye for now, guys. Peace out.